Hey, Jeff Heiser here with I Think Differently and Blue Line Vagabond. You know, we changed up our van. It came with a fold-down couch that went across the back. It was like a bench couch that folded down, and we took that out and we put two side couches that run along the side of the van on each side, and then the table folds down into make the bed. Well, we had a problem with the table in that the leg, we needed to put another leg on it because of the length, and I didn't like the way it turned out, so I came up with a solution. I found this, I think it's called Lagun Swivel Table Mount, and I'm going to show you that. I'll show you the problem I had with the table first, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's installed. And I'll let you know what I think when I'm all done. What is so cool about this is once you have it installed, this here bar right here, it will store this bar for you. It also the bottom plate of the that's for the table. So when you take it out, you don't have to worry about it laying someplace. You just put it on the table piece. This here piece attaches to the table, the bottom of the table, and this other piece attaches to the mounting plate, and you just basically pull it up, stick this bar right here on this plate, and fold down the bed. And that's why we went with this. It also swivels in a 360 degrees, so if you need to move your table around like we do, it's perfect. Now, I have to tell you, the table is not completed yet, but this is what you can do with this. Now let's see if I can show you. You can take this table, we can push it to the back. So now you have it to the back of the van. You can take it, you can spin it, we can bring it around like this, and now it's to that side. We can bring it back over here, and now it's to this side out of the way, or we can just bring it right to the middle and eat dinner at it. It's also, the height is also adjustable, and I have to tell you, it's probably one of the better deals. Besides my ladder that I got, this right here was a fantastic find. Again, it's Laguna, I think, or Lagun, L-A-G-U-N, and it's swivel, mostly used for I believe on boats, and it's out of the UK, and I'll tell you what a find. I hope you find this information a little useful. I know it was very useful for me. I found somebody had done this. They had posted a short little clip, I think on Pinterest, and I saw this and it was like I had to have it. So until next time, I hope I see you on the road. This is Jeff Heiser, and I Think Differently with the Blue Line Vagabond. Take care. We'll see ya.